안녕하세요. Welcome back to my channel. Are you feeling chemistry with Hangul? Okay, last two lessons, I highlighted my face and just teach how to study Korean, how to read Korean. But today I'm here for encouraging you guys. I think you can feel many progresses cause you didn't even know how to speak Korean, but now you became totally different person who can read the most of Korean words. If the video now you're watching is the first video of mine, then please go here and watch my first and second Korean saying video too. I'll be here waiting you. All you need to get your head around is you're doing this for growth. Don't be in harsh. Don't need to be in a hurry. Just consider it's a game and keep watching my videos. Let's go! This is today's chapter. Chapter 1, Final Consonants. And Chapter 2, key to memorize pronunciation of final consonants. Final consonants. 받침. So structures of Hangul consist of three parts. First, consonant is next to vowel. And second, vowel is covering consonant. And third, there are two consonants and one vowel. For instance, 아버지, 어머니. In those words, consonant is next to vowel. And examples of second structure is 의사, 왜? And today we will learn this. Two consonants and one vowel. Okay, let's see first word. It is called 안경, which means glasses. And the blue color is consonant and red color is vowel. So there are two consonants and one vowel. Okay, second example is 음악, which means music. These two, there are two consonants and one vowel. As you see in the last chapter, when the consonants placed on ending of the words, it is called final consonants. This page I've already shown in my first reading video, but this time you should focus on ending of the words, not the first of the words. Then repeat after me. 기억, 기억, 니은, 니은, 디귿, 디귿, 리을, 리을, 미음, 미음, 비읍, 비읍, 시옷, 시옷, 이응, 이응, 지읒, 지읒, 치읒, 치읒, 기역, 기역, 티읒, 티읒, 피읍, 피읍, 히읗, 히읗. It's practice time of each consonants. I'm gonna give you maximum 4 examples of each pronunciation, so repeat after me. Focus on how to pronounce ending of the word. First, 각, 각, 낙, 낙, 탁, 탁, 락, 락. Second, 니은, 은, 반, 반, 산, 산, 안, 안, 잔, 잔. Third, 디귿, 읒, 엇, 엇, 쉿, 쉿, 낫, 낫. Next, 리을, 을, 알, 알, 일, 일, 놀, 놀, 골, 골. Next, 미음, 넘, 넘, 님, 님, 김, 김. Next, 비읍, 밥, 밥, 업, 팁, 팁. hip, hip. These are examples of having that final consonants. First, 악기, 미역, 언니, 기린, 얻다, 걷다, 놀다, 이슬, 힘, 휘파람, 탑, 집. Next, 시옷, 옷, 엇, 엇, 앗, 앗, 햇, 햇, 앳, 앳, 이응, 응, 강, 행, 탕, 봉, 봉, 지읒, 읒, 갓, 갓, 잇, 잇, 치읒, 읒, 찻, 찻, 빛, 빛, 꽃, 꽃, 쫓, 쫓, 숫, 숫. Next, 기역, 역, 윽, 역, 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 억, 억. Next, 티읕, 읒, 짓, 짓, 삿, 삿, 밭, 밭. These are examples of having 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 기역, 티읕. Let's repeat it. 옷, 옷, 촛불, 촛불, 강, 강, 충치, 충치, 있다, 있다, 찾다, 찾다, 꽃, 꽃, 빛, 빛, 부엌, 부엌, 해질녘, 해질녘, 갔다, 갔다, 밭, 밭. 피읍, 읍, 앞, 입, 깁, 십, 히읗, 읒, 얏, 삿, 놋. These are examples of having 피읍, 히읗, 앞, 앞, 놓다, 놓다, 쌓다, 쌓다, 입, 입. Chapter 2. Key to memorize it fast. Practically, last consonants can be divided into two parts. First part is closed sound and second part is smooth sound. So first, closed sound is like this. 기역, 기역. It's finished with 윽 sound, 윽, 윽. And 디귿, 시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티읒, 히읗. It is finished with 읒 sound. Whatever is T or D, anyway, it's finished with 읒 sound. And 비읍, 피읍 is finished with 읍 sound. This time too, whatever it is B or P. For instance, when you write a word with 피읍, you can write this up, and you must write the pronunciation of it like this. Up, up. Yes, very good. But be careful, there is no p sound. So it means you can say up, but it's not like up, up. When you write down the word with 지읒, you can write down it like this. And you must write this pronunciation in English like this. Yes, that's great. Got, got. But you shouldn't pronounce this last word. It's not like got, got. It's just close sound. Got, got. There are 4 final consonants in smooth sound. These sounds are more smoother than closed sounds. So, 니, 은, 이, 응, 리, 을, 미, 은, 응, 을, Practice until you get used to it. Okay, I hope today's video also helping you, and if you like my video, please subscribe and like my video. Bye bye. 안녕.